Imagine a future where the course in front of you was shaped for you alone, rather than the same course delivered to everyone who enrolls. The future matters most for learners who are least clearly represented by data systems. Think of English language learners, first-generation students, and working adults. These groups are growing fast in higher education, and institutional records capture only a thin slice of who they are.
The real obstacle is data. Privacy law protects students. Small populations limit what we can model, and self-reporting asks a great deal of the very learners we want to help. So, we build synthetic student profiles from published research rather than from real records. No real student data enters the system, which keeps re-identification off the table.
Each synthetic learner is built from dozens of attributes, spanning the full arc of a student's life and learning. We turn those profiles into a knowledge graph and grant AI agents permission to read it and reason the way a specific kind of learner might. Each agent-proposed change requires human review and human final approval. Both humans and AI are held accountable for the quality of what reaches students.
We evaluate the data at the same moment we generate it, so every batch passes concrete safety checks. Guardrails mask personal information on every model call. Rules block data combinations that would encode a stereotype, such as tying language proficiency to disability. Bias audits compare each batch against published benchmarks. These checks keep the system honest about the learners it claims to represent.
This is personalization that respects the learner and the law at the same time. One course reshaped for every student who takes it. That is the future the WGU Program Experience Futures team is building, and we invite you to build it with us.